Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the TikTok Shop affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? How much do they really pay out? How much can you really make becoming a TikTok affiliate marketer using their TikTok Shop affiliate program? Pretty cool stuff. Let's check it out today, right? At any time, if you want my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies all over the world, all over the internet on how you can make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them though are a big waste of time, all right? So I'm here to save you a bit of time. Let's check out the TikTok Shop affiliate program to see how good this is. Now, this is hot off the press, right? TikTok Shop is pretty new. That means you can basically sell products on TikTok. It's basically an e-commerce store, right? It's really, really cool. So if you jump onto your TikTok app right now, right? Right on the bottom, you're gonna see that there is basically a way for you to choose the shop option, and you can basically shop like you're shopping on Amazon or Shopee or Lazada or wherever you live in the world, okay? Wherever TikTok is available, and it should be available to you pretty much anywhere in the world. And you can buy e-commerce products directly from their shop. Now, what if you could basically promote some of these products, okay? And when somebody buys from your promotion, because you're promoting somebody else's product, you generate a small commission from that seller store. That's pretty cool, right? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. That means that you don't need to own a store in order to sell and promote products of other sellers on TikTok, if that makes sense, okay? So all you're doing is you're basically going onto the TikTok store, and I'll show you this in a second, right? And you're picking different products, and you're creating a sort of review or promotional video on your own TikTok channel. And when somebody finds your video and they buy through your link, that TikTok seller will send you a small commission. That's kind of how it works. So it's brand new. This is basically affiliate marketing, but it's TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Is very, very specific, okay? So it's kind of the same as if we went to Amazon, right? And you found any product. Let's just say, Amazon, you're selling a calculator. You grab the Amazon calculator link, and then you share it on social media. And when somebody buys that calculator through your link on Amazon, Amazon will pay you a small commission. It's usually 3 to 4%, very, very little, okay? So TikTok, you can do the same thing, but you're basically selling through the TikTok Shop. Just want to be clear. Now, the big question is how difficult is this for you to make money, and how much money can you really make? What are the commissions like, okay? The commission levels are very, very important because, look, if your commission levels aren't high enough, then it's going to be very difficult for you to make a lot of money. Also, if you're a beginner, like you're just getting started today versus somebody that already has a big following, and maybe you're already talking about a lot of different types of products, or you're in a specific niche, it might be easier for them to make money in this particular strategy. So let's check it all out so that you don't waste your time, okay? So I'm gonna break it down for you. So this is not going to be a TikTok Shop affiliate program tutorial, all right? For that, there's a really cool video that I found. His name is Alex Kramer, all right? I'm gonna leave this video, the resource to this video below. If you want to learn the step-by-step on how to set up your TikTok shop and that kind of thing, you can check out Alex's video because it's super detailed. It's really, really good, and you can set this up, if you want, right? So I'm going to be referring back to this video just so that you understand that. But if you want to do this at the end of this review, all right, then you can check out Alex's video. It'll show you the step-by-step. I'm just going to review whether this is worth your time, okay? So it's really, really easy. If you want to get to the TikTok shop, you would just come into Google, type out TikTok Shop affiliate. All right, and then you'll find the first one. It's probably going to be a sponsored link. You click on it and it's going to look like this for your specific country, and you can set up your TikTok shop business. All right, now we want to become a TikTok shop affiliate. We don't necessarily want to sell anything because we have nothing to sell, right? We want to be an affiliate. We want to sell other sellers stuff, right? We want to sell products from other stores. But in order for you to do that, you still have to set up a TikTok shop, if that makes sense, and then you can become an affiliate that way, right? So Alex's video is going to show you how to do that, okay? I'm just showing you the page right here. You just Google TikTok shop affiliate, you'll find this page. Come here, you can set it up for your particular country, right? Which is pretty cool, and you can do a few different things in order to sell, all right? So once you've actually set up your TikTok shop itself, right? So Alex is going to show you how to do that. what's going to happen is you can then browse different sellers' products, and literally you can, there's all sorts of different products on there, right? Everything from electronics to toys to books to it's mostly physical stuff, because the way that the TikTok shop is set up right now, they don't really allow services or digital services, especially, okay, digital membership websites, nothing like that, okay? This is all like physical e-commerce stuff, right? So lipstick, beauty products, gardening products, baby toys, diapers, things like that, right? That people can actually send physically to your house. So once you found a good product that you want to market, what you would do as a marketer is you would create a review, probably a review video on that particular product. So in this example, this lady right here, she's got some lip gloss, right? So what you would actually have to do if you wanted to create a review video is you would need to buy that product, because you need to show it to people on your TikTok channel. Does that make sense, right? So you would need to buy it, first of all, or you need to have it already in your house, okay? So have that product, you would do a video review of it, and then you would upload it onto TikTok, and then you would say, hey, if you want to purchase this product, then you can purchase it from this TikTok affiliate link right here, and then they would click on it. It would go to that TikTok seller's channel, and when they buy, you're gonna get a small commission. So again, this video right here, Alex will talk about that, and he'll show you how to actually set that up. All right. Now, when people buy from you, how much commissions are you making? This is really, really important. Okay. Now I'm just gonna use this page right here. Now the way that it works is that the TikTok shop creator will set the commissions on how much they want to pay. But on average, okay, if it's a physical product, they will usually pay between 5 to 15% commissions. And I've seen this, I've verified this, okay? So a lot of the time, it'll be like 10%, 12%, 15% commissions, which is actually not bad for a physical product e-commerce website. Okay, just to give you an example, if you compare this to Amazon only pays 3 to 4, 5%. It's super low. Okay, so let me do the math on that, right? If you're selling a $10 stick of lipstick, okay, wherever you live in the world, it doesn't really matter, but let's just say it's $10, 10 ringgit, 10 Sing dollars, wherever, 10 Canadian dollars of your currency, right? $10. If you were to sell that on Amazon, right, they only pay you 3% commission. So $10 times 3%, you're only making 30 cents commissions. It's super low. All right. Now on TikTok, it's going to be slightly higher, right? On average, I've seen, again, like I mentioned, 10%, 12%, 15%. So let's say on the higher side, right? 15%. So $10 stick of lipstick, right? 15% commissions times 15%, you're making $1.50. Now, let me ask you a question, right? Yes, it is nice to make commissions from the TikTok shop, okay? But I mean, on a stick of lipstick, which is $10, you're only making $1.50. How many sticks of lipstick, like right here, would you need to sell in order for you to make significant income? And we're talking about like full-time income here. So full-time income might be $5,000, right? So $5,000, so 5,000 divided by 150, you would have to sell 3,333 sticks of lipstick in order for you to replace your full-time job income and do this full-time. Okay, now you might be saying, well, Aaron, I don't necessarily want to do this full-time. I just want to do this for fun, and maybe I can sell something a little bit more expensive, which is true. That's accurate, right? So here's the thing though, the way that the TikTok shop works is people are, the trend right now is people aren't buying super expensive stuff. They are buying things that are under $50, okay? So they're buying pretty cheap stuff. They're buying like t-shirts, they're buying caps, they're buying, slippers, maybe beauty products, baby toys, things like that, right? Kitchen utensils, whatever it is, right? So stuff that's cheap, okay? So even if your product costs $50, okay, and you're making 15% commissions times 15%, you're only making $7.50 per sale on the higher side, okay? Now that's not bad, $7.50, but still, how many $7.50 products do you need to sell in order to make $5,000? Well, let's do the math again, right? 5,000 divided by 750 is 666 $50 products in order for you to make $5,000 a month. Okay, now again, if you're watching this video, you might be like, well, Aaron, I'm not here to maybe make full-time income yet, but it'll be nice to make a little bit of extra money. Now, if that's the case, then I would say that this strategy is pretty cool. Now, here's the thing about TikTok though, right? There are a couple of things, to be honest, okay, about how viable the TikTok shop strategy is, okay? So let me put it this way. If you're an absolute beginner, that means that you have a brand new TikTok account. You don't really have a following. You just have a couple of friends that are following you and stuff like that. Even though TikTok is giving TikTok shop affiliate videos higher reach, which is pretty cool. That means, so if you start a TikTok shop and you make a review product on lipstick or these hardy t-shirts or whatever it is, right? They're gonna give you a little bit more exposure because they know that you are a TikTok shop affiliate and you're trying to help them make money. They're gonna give you more exposure. You still need to make quite a lot of videos in order for your video to really explode, okay? And then generate a lot of sales, okay? And so even though TikTok, the volume can be really, really good if you figure it out, the problem is figuring it out. Okay, that's the challenge. Not everybody's going to figure it out because TikTok is social media and social media can be quite difficult sometimes, right? I've had videos that have hit 1 million views, but that took a lot of effort and I don't do that all the time. Sometimes the videos only reach, a few hundred people. Sometimes it's only 1,000 views, right? So how many sticks of lipstick are you going to sell from a 1,000 view video, okay? So it's one of those things. It's a combination of a few things, right? It's a combination to do well with this strategy. It's a combination of a few things. First of all, you have to know what product to sell. Okay. Second of all, you have to be pretty good at creating content. So if you're an absolute beginner and you've never really created content before, then you're not going to get as many views as say somebody who is very experienced and knows exactly how to create very engaging, hooking style content. Does that make sense, right? So this strategy can work, but it also depends on your skill set and how much effort and consistency that you put in, right? And the other thing that I want to mention, which is a small thing, but it's good to understand, is if you go to the TikTok shop Prohibited products, they have a lot of products that they are not allowed to sell, that you cannot sell as a seller. Okay, now that's not going to affect you so much as an affiliate because you're not selling products online, you're selling other people's products, right, through the TikTok shop. But it's important to understand because the TikTok shop doesn't allow you to sell a lot of stuff. Okay, so as an affiliate, if you want to become an affiliate to sell in this store right here, okay, the range of stuff that you can pick from is quite limited, okay, because they don't allow you to sell a lot of stuff. All of this stuff here, baby maternity products, actually you're not allowed to sell any of this stuff. Baby supplements, breast pumps, bedded teeth, there's a lot of stuff. Beauty and care products, they have to vet as well. Okay, so even though there are beauty products that you can pick from to choose from the TikTok shop, they actually have to be vetted. So a lot of the stuff, they're very careful. Body and mental wellness products, they don't allow a lot of these products. Offensive products, obviously drug, paraphernalia, which is fine, but you can't sell like pipes and bongs and stuff like that, which is okay, right? Firearms, okay, this is fine, right? Gambling, gamification, there's a lot of hazardous items, human body parts, obviously, right? Lock picking, things like that. Medicine and medicinal, you basically a lot of that won't be allowed. Monetary, financial products, services, military, safety, secondhand products aren't allowed to be sold. Okay, security, privacy products. So there's a lot of stuff that they basically, it's a long list that you basically cannot sell. So your what you can sell will be slightly limited, just so that you understand that, right? So let's kind of wrap up this strategy right here. Is it good to join the TikTok shop affiliate marketing program? Especially if you're a beginner. Look, let me put it this way, right? If you're somebody that's experienced, you already have a big TikTok channel, you already have a following, and you're like, well, I just want to add a little bit of extra income. I can do a video, I can review whatever product I want. You can find a t-shirt that you like, you can find a cap that you like, you can find lipstick that you like, and you're like, hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I love this lipstick, blah, 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 and you make it, right? And it's going to be huge on your channel because you already have a follower base, then you can make a decent amount of extra side income. That's what I would say, right? But if you're an absolute beginner, okay, you're just getting started today, you don't have a following, you have no idea how to set up your TikTok shop, you don't know what products to promote, okay? Even though TikTok is giving extra reach to you if you create a review video of a product, then I would say that it's okay, but you're still gonna have to put in a lot of work, and because the commissions are not that high, they're only 5 to 15%. But right now, what I'm seeing is between 10 and 15% commissions. It's still pretty low commissions, all right, to make, because unfortunately TikTok sellers can't offer that much commissions to their affiliates because they're selling a physical product, and when you sell a physical product, there's a manufacturing cost involved, right? So you can't give massive commissions away, right? So as a seller though, you're not going to make that much money. You're going to have to grind really hard. You're going to have to get really good at making review videos consistently. And you also, the other thing that I want to mention is, for the most part, you're going to need to have the product in order to sell it. Now, the cool, that means you have to have the actual stick of lipstick. You actually have to have that t-shirt in order to sell it on TikTok Shop, because most of the stuff is physical, right? But the cool thing that you might want to check out is on Alex's video, he shows you a cool way of selling a product even though you don't necessarily have it. But still, you have to understand that the commissions are not that great. Now, I just want you to check this out, and this is a perfect example, right? I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to try and zoom in. Okay, here we go, right? You can see this example that Alex is giving, okay, the PlayStation 5. It's a $500 item, but they're only paying you $13.50 commissions. Now, how many PlayStations do you think you can sell, right? Now, okay, this is an isolated example because, again, like I mentioned earlier in this video, what people are generally buying on TikTok Shop is stuff below 50 bucks, right? Obviously, this is a high ticket item, but let's just say you did a video on the PlayStation, right? How many people are actually going to buy a PlayStation from your video? Even if it got a lot of views, I mean, it's a $500 product, even if you sold, like, let's just say 5 of that, right? So it's 13.50 cents times $5 commissions. You only made $67.50. Now, that's better than not making any money at all, right? But it's still a far cry from generating $5,000 or $10,000 a month if you wanted to do this full time, right? So that's why I'm saying it depends on who you are. This can be a pretty cool strategy, and the reach can be pretty good, but you just have to understand that if you're an influencer, you already have a following, great. If you're an absolute beginner, then this could be an okay strategy, but just please understand that the commissions are quite small, and you're gonna have to start from zero, and you're gonna have to learn how to get really good at creating good, engaging videos, and you're gonna have to upload very, very often. At least every day, minimum 1 video a day consistently, otherwise you're never really going to get to full income, all right? Now, what is a slightly better strategy than this, even though, I think the TikTok Shop is okay, it's an okay opportunity, is you should be selling digital affiliate marketing products where the commission rates are a lot higher. You see the thing with selling physical stuff, and I've spoken about this a lot in some of my other videos, is that they can't pay you high commission rates. But when you sell digital products, digital courses, digital items, digital training, the commission rates can go up to 50%, 60%, 70%. That's how you make big money. But unfortunately, because of the rules of TikTok, they don't allow any virtual products or services to be sold. So you're not going to be able to find commission rates at 50, 60, 70% because they don't really sell pure digital training membership products. Okay, so you can't get that because it's against their terms of service. Just so that you have the full picture here and you can make a better decision on whether you should do TikTok Shop affiliate marketing or something completely different. All right, so I would say I'm somewhere in the middle with this. I think that there are opportunities and you can potentially make big money with this if you have a big following already, if you're really good at making video, if you're going to be super consistent. But if you're an absolute beginner, I still think that this is quite a challenging strategy because you probably don't have the video skills to do well with this. Also, the commission rates are still pretty low, even though it's better than Amazon associates, right? It's still pretty low. It's still only like 10, 12, 13, 14%, 15% commission. Still super low, I think, right? And it can be still pretty challenging to do that because of the commissions are so low. But can you make a little bit extra money? Maybe, if you are consistent with the strategy. If you would like, you can check it out, TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketing Program. Now, if you're here watching this video, right, maybe you are looking for a way to make big money online. online. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies on how to do that, and out of all of them, I've condensed all of that into one particular strategy that I think that an absolute beginner, all right, with no experience at all, has never made money online, I think it's their best chance to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, and much, much more depending on how much effort you put into this strategy, okay? I've got an absolutely free masterclass that shows you how to do this step by step. If you would like to have access to that masterclass, click the link below, and I'll send you that masterclass for free. You can check out the strategy if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of the TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketing Program. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.